Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Paxful account on mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Paxful app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can also do this through the browser by visiting paxful.com. On the login screen, tap on the Forget Password link just below the password input field. Now, enter the email address associated with your Paxful account and tap Send Reset Instruction or Reset Password. Next, head to your email inbox. You will receive an email from Paxful with the subject Password Reset. Open that email and click on the Reset link inside. The link will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and click Reset Password or Save New Password. Once your password is reset, return to the Paxful app or website. Enter your email and the new password you just set. Then tap Login. And that's it. You have successfully recovered your Paxful account on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. See you in the next video.